Hey everybody, so me and Morgs are actually really excited about this. We're actually on our way out to see one of my friends, Chris, for our first Wolf Kiff Walk Around with the cars, and this one is absolutely stunning, so I'm really looking forward to this, really excited about this, so we're going to head off now.
There you go. What's happening, Chris? Right. What's happening? What are you doing walking around there? Oh, this is the dodgy area. Yeah, you're in the dodgy area. What's happening? Let's see if my car's still in here. Fuck, that's not in there. My friends are seized. Still there, Chris? Scrap that. Yeah. Five grand like that.
That's just sacrilege. Oh, there she is. Proper GSi. Did you do a GSi with the
5 metre unplug, as usual.
Yeah, yeah. That's wicked.
Brake lines are a bit fucked up now, look at that.
A little bit, but at least it will be replaceable.
Yeah, I think I've done an adjustment on the cable of the cable type.
I was going to say, I just heard the central lock-in just fire into life. These are the wheels I got 5 of in the shed, and that wasn't going to make it. So.
That's locked. That's unlocked.
Yeah, this side is a bit. Coils are disconnected, so hopefully it should crank.
Find my little dot is at the bottom. Oh, there it is.
Come on, sweet thing. Oh, look at the body kit and everything.
Oh, I know, it's stunning, isn't it?
Beautiful.
Alright?
Yeah. Awesome.
That is quite enough power, but there's a boost pack to boot.
Wicked. Like I said, I did have the coil disconnected just to try and get it so it would turn over just before we.
You fire that now then?
Yeah, I've got the. I've just plugged it back in. There we are. That one's on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sounds a bit flooded now, doesn't it?
I was gonna say, yeah, a tiny bit.
Firing?
Yeah, it's trying to go, isn't it? That's really trying to go.
That was close.
So close. I thought I was going then. After 2 years
Well,
now.
that's not seized, is it?
That's it, back in it. Try again. It's working as well, it's charging the boost pack. Oh, this is amazing. What, is it ticking or is it? See, that's the yellow bottom, been even forever and they still start.
Well, considering I've been starting for 2 years.
Yeah, it's not bad at all, is it?
Yeah, I can show you guys what it is, doesn't it?
Oh, hell yeah. This is running so sweet. This really is a genuine barn find. It's such a rare car these days. Everything on it is mint. So you've got the trims on the doors, and the ones that aren't there are on the back. All the repair panels with it. If you open up the door, see it's got the original Recaros inside with no bolster wear or anything like that. The driver's side's the same. And even the, I don't know if you can see it very well, but even the centre of the dash, there's no dead pixels or anything in it. Incredible. Got back arc just needs some work, but he's got the repair panels for it. It's still got the old vauxhall step downs all round. Oh, I love a GSi. There's the back. Absolutely stunning. Sunroof model. Even the front tyres are still pumped up though.
I think we'll switch it off now, is it?
Yeah, I would say it's up to proper running temperature now.
Yeah.
They always run better when they're warm, don't they? There's 3,022 on the road originally at one stage. Now it's gone down. Sawned. There's 564 of these sawned apparently now out of 3,000, but there's only 69 left licensed on the road.
What, this one?
Yeah, in 2020 there was 69 left on the road and 564 sawned. So I mean that could be. A lot of them are probably rotting in the back of farmers' sheds and things like that, aren't they?
Oh yeah.
It's not real.
Snow socks.
I'll have to go home and have a root through all my stuff.
Oh, don't worry, I've got 10 of them.
Oh, really? There we are. So yeah, we're just about to drive home, set home now. That was absolutely fantastic, I have to admit. Seeing a car just that rare. There's a car I haven't seen for ages, and it's one I remember being out before when I was in my boy racer days and everything like that. Proper Redtop GSi Astra. How often do you see one of them anywhere?
That's a proper barn find.
Yeah, and the fact that I didn't even realise until we were actually speaking to him that he hasn't actually been down to his garage for 2 years, so that's hence why you saw what happened with the door opening it. And yeah, I just fired up straight away. That everything we videoed was the first time that car has moved, like tried to move, fired up, or even been looked at in 2 years. It's absolutely brilliant, and I'm so glad that Chris let us be part of that. So yeah, thank you for that, buddy. I just wanted to say that. Definitely, it was absolutely brilliant.
No, it's just lovely to see a car so rare, and yeah, one in the greatest of nick, but it's something he loves, it's something he's kept hold of, and it's something he'll probably keep for the rest of his life.
Exactly, and the one thing I will say is a project car ain't a project car if it's all shiny and fixed, is it?
No.
Yeah, so that was the first of many Wolf Kiff walk arounds that we're hoping to do, and what an absolute cracker to start with. Stay tuned, there's going to be lots more Wolf Kiff walk arounds with different interesting cars that we might find along the way. That one was just, yeah, absolutely brilliant.
But what a nice guy though, to show us around his pride and joy, and
that's
let us film it and everything.
I know, there's a lot of people out there with lovely little gems like that wouldn't be nowhere near as accommodating. What a way to start that off. So I mean, there might be a walk around of my cars at some point if people are interested. If so, obviously drop it in the comments box as well. If there's anything else you'd like to see on this channel, something you're a bit unsure of, something you'd like to see me working on possibly, fire it in the comments. I'll always try and answer them as best as I can, and it may end up with there being a video, possibly even a shout out to you for suggesting it as well. So obviously, if there's anything you want to see, by all means hit us up, give us a shout, or even if you go on Insta, you'll find me at wolf_kiff. Fire me a DM if you don't want to do it in such a public manner, and yeah, we'll see what we can do.
Any car we do a walk around on next is going to be in great company after that one.
Oh, definitely. That's another thing. Yeah, if you've got a car that you'd like us to do a walk around on, then give us a DM. There's lots of different ways we can do it. If you want to be in the video, by all means, you are more than welcome. It'd be fantastic. Yeah, if you've got something interesting, fire it to us. Same as if you want to be on my Instagram page as well, fire it on there. I'm always looking for interesting cars to go on my Insta. I mean, if you have a look on there, I think I've done over